Preview. Preview.
Something very, very exciting. This is Kazakhstan. This is the Cosmodrome there. And in a few seconds, well, in 60 seconds to be precise, I'm being told in my ear, the rocket you see there is going to be launching. It's called the Roscosmos Soyuz MS-24 spacecraft, and it will be launching 3 astronauts, a NASA astronaut and 2 Roscosmos cosmonauts to the International Space Station, where they will be docking soon after taking off. The US Space Agency is providing us with these pictures, and it contains the rockets, three astronauts, the NASA astronaut Laurel O'Hara and cosmonauts Oleg Kononenko and Nikolai Chubb. They are expected to lift off, and they will then be joining the crew of the ISS, the International Space Station, and I think we can just hear now.
You have engine ignition.
Second tower separation.
3, 2, 1.
Pumps at flight speed.
And liftoff. O'Hara, Kononenko, and Chu begin a short-duration journey for a long-duration mission on the International Space Station. All vehicle parameters are normal. 23 seconds into the flight. Good roll, pitch, and yaw program. Engine performance on the first stage nominal.
L plus 30 seconds. Flight is nominal.
40 seconds into the flight.
The rocket has launched. Always very exciting to see these launches, and what we know is that this rocket, which contains a NASA astronaut and 2 cosmonauts, has taken off. It will then meet the ISS, the International Space Station, where it will rendezvous and dock. Then we will see the 3 astronauts entering the ISS, joining the space station's Expedition 69 crew. This expedition, these people are called the Expedition